So here's exactly what you need to do to completely change your feed. So as you can see, my feed here consists of a lot of muscular dudes, such as this person right over here, and also some girls. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your feed entirely. First, what you want to do is figure out what you want to change your feed to. So in this scenario, I want to change my feed to motorcycle content. So what you want to do first is to find a channel that does post motorcycle content or whatever content that you wanted to change to. So this person posts motorcycle content. So now I'm going to go over to the Reels section, and as you can see, they post a lot of motorcycle content. So what I'm going to do is basically like every one of these, and you basically want to interact, maybe save some of these, and basically interact as much as you can in as much posts as you can, just like that. Save and like all of them. And once you've done enough, basically you want to find another content creator that posts a similar amount of content, like this person, motorcycle page, as you can see. So I'm going to go over to Reels, and then basically just interact with all these as well. And then what you can also do is basically click on this little icon right over here. And that's going to suggest you a bunch of other pages. So you just want to follow all these motorcycle pages. So this is basically signaling to Instagram that you enjoy watching motorcycle content and you want to see more of these. So now Instagram's going to change their feed entirely just for you. As you can see, if we basically exit out now, go to our feed, and now completely refresh. And as you can see here, we start to get a lot of motorcycle content. There's one first page right over here. There's a motorcycle page right over here. And you basically just keep on interacting and liking with these posts, and that's how you change it.